Hello guys, actually this is drop shipping from Amazon, okay? And so here is a label, a special typically from the customer. So I just randomly take one piece for check. This is H8P, the fingerprint with camera and work with 2 years smart. This customer actually regular order for Amazon, different to USA market. Okay, let's see. This is the key and the cylinder, USB port. Battery is 4200 AI, and this is the screws. 2 pieces of cards. Okay. Menu, English menu, cutting template. This is for the mortise. Also is lock body. Okay, this is the main lock body, and this is the part, side part. Okay, like this. This is the front panel. Front panel. Okay, like this. Front panel. Camera, okay, fingerprint, and this is the keypad. This is the rear panel, okay. This is the rubber. This is the metal plate, and this is the quick handle, and this is the dead borders knob, and this is for the middle latch, okay. This is the one unlock button, and this is one lock button. Actually, this one is hot selling around 2 years yet in the market. So the quality and the shipping every day. So no need worry the quality. So the customer is very rested their heart for the drop shipping for Amazon, the platform from us. So if you're interested, can talk to me freely.